Hi guys, welcome to Key to Blogging, and in this video I will show you how you can add a social follow section like this in your WordPress website. So for this we are going to use the Kadence Blocks plugin, which is a Gutenberg based page builder that you can use in your WordPress website. So here you can use the Kadence block with any theme like Kadence theme or Blocksy theme or GeneratePress theme. So you need to install the Kadence block to design a section like this. Or you can also do the same with other page builder plugin, but for this video we are going to use the Kadence Block plugin. So let's start designing this social follow section in our WordPress website. And by the way, if you found this video helpful, then make sure to hit the like button. And if you want to design a contact us page, then I have already made a video on this, so you can check the link in the description. So let's go to the WordPress dashboard and let's install the Kadence Block plugin first. So for this I will go to the plugins here and let me just click on add new here. Then I will search for the Kadence Blocks and here it is, Gutenberg Blocks by Kadence Block. So let's install this plugin here. Now activate this plugin. Okay, now the Kadence Blocks plugin is installed in our WordPress website. Let's go to the pages and let's create a new page. And for this I can simply make a title like social follow button like this, and I will click on the plus icon and let's click on browse all. With Kadence Block, you will get multiple sections like row layout section, accordion, advanced gallery, advanced button. So for this, we are going to use the row layout first to create the structure. And as you can see that there are 4 sections in this row. So we can select the 4 section row here. Here it is 4 equal row, 4 equal sections. So let's click on here. Now we need to add the info box in each of the section. So I will click on the first block here and I can search for info box. Now let's click on here and I can select the info box and let's copy the block and let's click on here. Let's click on paragraph and let's paste the section. So I will do the same for all section here like this. Now let's click on the first section here and I will do some changes in the first section. So first of all I will go to the style here and let's add a border of 3 pixels and I will add the dark color border here. Now let's click on hover here and let's change the hover color to something like blue and let's change it to 3 pixels. So whenever I hover the mouse, it will change from black to blue. Now let's click on here. Now let's close the contents settings here and I will click on the title setting here. And here you can change the size of the title here. So let's change it to something like Facebook. Now here you can change the font size according to the presets, or you can click on here and put the exact value in pixel. So I will leave the default here. And let's close the title setting and I will click on the text setting here and I can disable that text setting from here. Okay, now our basic social follow button is ready. Now let's click on here and I will click on this here and I will click on the copy style and I will paste the style in all of the blocks like this. Okay, now our section is ready. Now I need to change the text and change the icon. So here I will change it to Twitter. Here I will change it to YouTube. And here I will change it to LinkedIn. Like this. And now I will change the icon of each of the sections. So I will click on first section here and under the style, let's click on media setting here. And I will select the icon from here and I will search for Facebook and let's add the Facebook icon here. Now let's click on the Twitter section, again go to style, media settings, change the icon to Twitter Let's add this one. So let's do the same for YouTube as well. I can simply search for YouTube and let's add the YouTube, and here I will add the LinkedIn. Let's add the LinkedIn like this. So our social follow section is added. Now it's time to add the link. So if you want to add the link in this box, then you can simply paste the Facebook link here. So as I don't have Facebook account, so I can leave it like that. Let's click on Twitter here and I can add my Twitter link here. So let's add the Twitter like this. Now let's add the YouTube link here and let's add the LinkedIn link here. Okay, now I have added the links in all of the box. Now let me just publish this section here. Now let's click on view page here, and as you can see that the social follow buttons is now ready. So if you want to add more than 4 box, then you can also create 5 sections in the row layout and add 5 box. Now let's change it to mobile view, and as you can see that it will looks pretty good in mobile as well. So it is fully responsive. And if you don't want to add the text and just want to add the icons, then you can also do that. So let me just go to the edit page here, and if you go to the about us page, I have done the same here, and here as you can see that I have removed the title and just add the icons. So if you have some limited area or you have narrow area, then you can add the icons only and exclude that text. So let me just show you. So I will select the row layout and let me just duplicate it, and I will click on this fast section here, and I will go to the style, and under the title I will disable the title. So let's do the same here. So let's disable that title here, and under the style let's disable here. Okay, so if you want to add more than 4 sections, then you can change the columns to 5, and let's duplicate it here. So let's copy it and I will paste it here, and instead of LinkedIn I can change the icon here. So let's add something like Pinterest. Okay, as you can see 5 section is added, and if you want to reduce the width, then you can also reduce the width here. So let's reduce the width like this, 870 pixel. So it is quite looking good, and you can also select the content in inherit max width from theme. So let's keep it like that. Now let me just update this page, and let's view this page in a new tab, and as you can see that the social follow section is added. So here we are using the Kadence Block plugin, and we have added the row layout and added the info box blog to generate a social follow button in WordPress. So I hope this video helps you add a social follow button in your WordPress website easily, and if you found this video helpful, then make sure to hit the like button. And if you want me to make more videos like this, then do let me know in the comment section. I will see you in the next video. Thank you.